Everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Paul Nguma, founder of PATTERNOLOGY LAB. In today's video, we're going to be talking about a stock that is ready to fly within the next few days and why you should keep it on your watch list. And I'm also going to be answering some of you guys' questions for those of y'all who dropped your stocks of interest in the comment section of this morning's video. Before we begin, again, don't forget to destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm. As always, it helps the channel grow and it allows more people to get this knowledge as well. So let's get started right off the bat. We have the SPY. I told y'all that today was going to be a chop fest. I did. I warned you guys. And we got right back into the chop fest zone. All right. This is not very nice. This is not very fun. We're still in here. Okay. Are we gonna get out very soon? Honestly, I think we are gonna get out. I'm not completely bearish on this thing. It's not looking too great right now, but we'll see exactly how it opens out tomorrow. Short sellers are happy. They're probably very, very, very happy right now, hoping for the entire market to open lower below 37.80 so that they can see this thing drop. But I don't think that's highly likely. I don't think so. Again, I'll follow up on this one in the morning. Now, the stock that is on the thumbnail that all of you should be keeping in your watch list for the next few days is ACB. All right. And ACB, that one is a cannabis slash marijuana company. And the pattern that I see here, it had a very good day today. And right now it's pushing aftermarket, which is a very good sign. But what I want you to pay attention to is the pattern on the daily chart, right? Bullish pennant. Again, we keep finding these. It's not really that hard to find. It's very clean. I like it. I'm very bullish on this one. I know some of you have been asking about it. Hopefully, y'all have been long on this one. Okay, so I'm still long on this one, and this one is a hold for me. Watch this thing for a long, all the way up to this region right here. At least $14, at most 16, maybe even higher. All right. I'm not gonna try to put a limit on this one because again, let's go all the way back to let's go all the way to let's just zoom out. Let's just zoom out. This is what's going on. This is literally where we're at. All right, and watch this entire region right there. This massive zone. Okay, again, in the hundreds versus the 12s. I'm not saying that we're gonna get up there, right? I'm not saying that we're gonna shoot up to 100. That would be nice. That would be fantastic if it just shot up to 100 like instantly. That would be great, but I think it's gonna take a while, like a very, very, very long while. But for now, we're focusing on the short term. Okay, so watch this one for a long to this circle right here that I drew here. Okay, I like it a lot, along with the other stocks in this industry, such as CGC, and CGC is running nicely. And I think that one is gonna go even higher, probably to like $36 as well. And let's look at APHA. And APHA followed plan two. Again, as I described before, it dropped all the way down to $6.50, and then went all the way up here. All right, exceeded my expectations even. Like I had a price target of $10 for this one, and it went all the way up to $12. And it's not done yet. Again, I think this is the beginning of something big. So definitely keep ACB along with the whole MJ space in your watch list, okay? Because they tend to move together. Now, let's talk about you guys' stocks of interest. The very first one that we're going to be talking about, somebody asked about GME, all right? And also, I talked about this one before. I told y'all that it wasn't the time to short yesterday. And what happened? What happened? Look at that. It went all the way up here, obliterated the short sellers, right? For the person who asked about this, somebody said they were shorting. I don't know where you were shorting, but you were shorting here. And I told you I'll be careful. It can go to $42. It went to $42, and now I think it can go to 50. I really think it might get there. Again, if the market turns around and this one follows it, it may touch 50. So be careful if you're shorting this. Yeah, that's really all I gotta say about that one. I will short it at some point. It is very vertical. It is. I just want it to be a bit higher. I want it to be a little bit more parabolic for me. Like I think 50 would be nice. If we can see 50, then I will try to go in for it shorts because it looks really, really good. Again, the higher it goes, the better it looks in my eyes. So that's my very honest opinion of that one. Now, the next stock that we're going to be talking about is fuel cell. Somebody asked about fuel cell recently, and fuel cell had a massive run. We were able to catch this one when it was way back here, right? We are able to catch it from like $8 all the way up to $13. It pulled back a bit, and then it had another move up, and right now it's pulling back. I think it has some room to drop some more. I would like it a lot if it could drop at like $15 or maybe even lower towards like $18. I would like that a lot, and I'm sure a lot of buyers who see a lot of value in this company who want to invest more money, they want to see a pullback. Pullbacks are good. Pullbacks are normal, and pullback invite more people, more long-term investors to buy more of the stock at a cheaper price. All right. So again, pullbacks is a good thing. I do think this thing is going to drop just a bit more towards 15. Now, the next one that we're going to be talking about, we haven't talked about this one in a very, very long time. That one is Disney. All right. And Disney had a fantastic quarter, like the end of 2020. It's still up right now, and right now it's showing some type of weakness, which puts me in a very indecisive spot. Like I don't want to short this thing. Yeah, it looks weak and it looks like it wants to tumble over, right? And I see this giant gap right here, which is not very comforting for longs. Okay, and I also see the bearish engulfing candle on here. I see that. But would I go short? Honestly, I think it may be a trap. I think. I'm not sure. I would just say be very patient with this one. Best case scenario, it just goes sideways. It doesn't go anywhere. Best case scenario, right? Because short sellers do hate that. We don't like that. We don't like consolidation. We like violent drops, right? We like these. That's what short sellers like. So and if we don't see that, then I will be long bias on it. And the more it consolidates, the better for longs. All right. So as of right now, again, just patiently wait on Disney. Eventually, it will let us know. The next one that we will be talking about in this video, somebody asked me to do a recap on Rocket Mortgage. And on Rocket Mortgage, it looks like it wants to bounce back up. All right, and I did cover it at when it was at $20. It dropped a little bit, and I told y'all if you're a long-term investor and you see lots of value in this company and you want a dollar cost average in, that will be the price to start. And so far, it seems like a lot of investors have been buying the bottom, right? It's been holding that bottom steadily. It's going sideways, and it looks like it wants to make a move higher. So definitely watch this one for a long. Definitely watch it for a long. Probably to like $21. If not, then it's probably just gonna go sideways some more until there's gonna be something like that. Just a huge day with massive volume, right? Until that happens, I think we're just gonna be like it's gonna be a very boring session somewhere around here. Okay, so that's my very honest opinion of that one. Now, the next one that we will be talking about, somebody asked me to do a recap on Visa. And Visa collapsed. Visa is not looking too great right now. Visa looked good over here. I see the reverse head and shoulders, and as soon as it reached the top, this thing rolled over immediately. It's not very uncommon. I've seen this before. I did show you guys that in multiple stocks, such as the one that we just looked at, Rocket Mortgage. As soon as it got to the target, it just rolled over. It's really, really sad. But is this thing good for a dip buy? Personally, I want to see it just a bit lower. Like if it can drop down to like what below 200 would be great for a dip buy. Maybe 196 or 195. Like just anywhere in here. That would be phenomenal, right? Kind of like what Twitter did. Let's see Twitter. Let's see how that one is holding up now. Twitter is right in the middle. Again, it's right in the middle of it. Is it good for a dip buy just like Visa? I think short sellers are very happy about this. They're looking at this and they're very, very happy. And I think they probably added here, but it might be a trap as well because again, like I said, $45 might be a great day buying. Some buyers might be stepping in heavy here to push the stock higher. Okay, so just keep that in mind. But in regards to Visa, I'm just a little bit more picky. Just one more. If we could see something that looks like this, let me draw it out. Right, we have this thing, and then we have that thing. Right, some that looks like that. I would love to buy that. That I would love to buy. But as of right now, it's just I don't know. Let's see how it looks like after market. Just yeah, just a little drop would be nice. Again, in my very honest opinion. Yeah. So there you go. That is the end of the video. Once again, destroy the like button for the YouTube algorithm as always. Also, if you are new to the channel, click on subscribe and click on the notification bell along with all notifications. That way, you don't miss out on the pre-market analysis video, which are released from Monday to Friday at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens, and the post-market analysis videos like these ones, which are released every single day in the afternoon. If you're not following us on social media, you can find me at Paul and Guma and at Patternology Lab on Instagram and on Twitter. Also, if you are new to the market, looking to make some money in the market, looking to get started, I left some step by step directions in the description of the video below. Step 1 through step 4. It only takes about 15 minutes or less for you to get signed up with everything you need to get started trading today. You can also get 3 free stocks after signing up with Webull using my very first link in the description below, and 1 free stock after signing up with Robinhood using my second link in the description below as well. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, my name is Paul Nguma with Patternology Lab, where we trade patterns and patterns only. And I will see all of you in tomorrow morning's video at exactly 8:15 a.m. Central Time, 15 minutes before the market opens.